You can go up. Trust yourself. Yes, you got this. You got this, yeah. Just go up. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Nice. Nice.
All right, I'm done with this V5. These holds are absolute garbage. To generate off of this, look at that, it's slopey. And then this is the other one, which is also garbage. Kind of pinching this, and as you can see, dry firing. This thing absolutely worked my hand. I kept dry firing off, and as you can see, which is kind of weird, because you would think if you dry fire off, you're just gonna pop out this way, but for some reason you end up punching the wall, which really sucks. But I'm done with this.